Hi guys, it's Carrie at Rockin G Farm, and today on the farm I have something special to put together for my chickens. I've got them new laying boxes and they will tilt just a little bit and the eggs will roll down so that they don't get dirty. But if this is not your first time to join us, thanks for being back. And always remember, after you subscribe, which is for free, click that notification bell right beside this subscription bell and be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay guys, I'm gonna just open this up and see what the instructions say and see what kind of equipment I need to put these together. Oh, it came with a screw and with an Allen, so that's good. We'll just have to figure this out. Last night my husband was wanting to put it together and I was like, I really want to put it together on my own to see if I can do it. So here I am trying out new things so I can become self-sufficient or more self-reliant, I guess. I need to be more self-reliant. So here are some boxes, there are some boxes. I've got the instructions here, and they said that the instructions weren't really that helpful. We'll see. The pictures are going to be a lot more helpful than anything because there's only pictures. Pretty straightforward. It gives you a list of all of the supply inside, and it doesn't look like I need anything extra. It looks like I have everything here. So we're just going to get started and let you watch. Okay, it does say front beam and back beam on these two right here. So I'll know which is front and which is back. And I'm going to leave that sitting right like that with those in there. Okay. And this says front beam and that says back beam on them too. So we'll set that side there. Okay, this looks like it's going to be a side panel. As you can see, it is down. So let's see, it'll be that way. Yep, okay. That one there. Probably going to have to find me some sort of chair or something to sit on because I don't want to sit in this grass all day. It'll make my legs itch. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. Okay. And this is really, really cute. Of course, these are the color greens of our farm. Been for almost 30 years. Come back. Look at this. But this right here is super de-duper cute. Especially for your favorite chicken lady. Isn't that cute? Okay, we're moving on to the third step, which looks like we are going to be putting in the center shelving brackets to hold the laying boxes in place because there are 6 laying boxes, so there'll be 3 on top and 3 on the bottom. All right, I've got one here and we're going to start the other one here. Hey guys, the sun's broken over the garden fence, so I'm going to take a real quick break and go get something to drink, and then I'll try to maybe put some more shade up or move my table around so I won't be making this chicken coop in the hot sun. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I've just decided to leave the table here. I don't want to mess with having to balance it again, so we're just going to go ahead and start up where we are. So we're going to put the third bracket right here. And I will have to be breaking in a little bit because I've got sourdough in the oven cooking. To the next step. Okay, it looks like we're fixing to put on the back bracing bar right there. And it looks like they want me to flip it upside down while I do it. Okay, let's see about that. Okay, figured it out. This is supposed to go here. It's the last front brace. I still have these two braces that I have no idea where they want me to put them, unless they go in here on this one. Unless they go like that, just to give it more bracing. I have no idea. Let's see if we can find something else here. Here, that's where those go. Because that won't hold that box. I'm gonna take some stuff apart. Give me a minute. Okay, so I took the brace out on that side, and I needed to put 2 braces in the center and 1 brace on each side. So now we're just going back. Oops, I just dropped my screw. And putting a brace in. I'll just kind of hurry and get this one tightened just a little bit so it'll stay in place. Put the new braces on. I can't find the other brace. Well, horse poo. Where'd the other brace go? I found it, remember? I was working with it in here on the inside and just forgot where I had put it. So we're just going to put this new screw right here. Add it back on in here. And just give it just a little bit of a tightening with our, look, our little nut here. Here we go. Much better. Let's get on to the back. Okay guys, I have taken this part way apart because I was putting it together and I was thinking, there's no way that those laying boxes can go in there with this put together this way. So I'm gonna try something else and we'll see if it works. Let's go ahead, let's try. So what I've done, I've flopped it upside down. So the top is now here, this is the bottom, this is the front, and that is the back. Let me show you. This says back beam. So, oh, it's showing to be put at the very tip top. Going, but no, see, that's not right. Because one picture is showing it. No, it is showing it that way. I just took it off that way, and it didn't go that way. And I'm missing some parts. I don't have these two front pieces here because I only have 1, 2, 3 long straight beams. 1, 2, 3, and this would be number 5. Well, I guess I had enough, but I don't know where all of them are supposed to go. Because on number 3, or step 4, it's showing the having 2 of the shorter beam braces in the middle. And that's what I did. Nothing on top. No, that would be flipped upside down. I think I might have those upside down too, because they should be. I don't have a clue. Let me flip it over and we'll figure it out. Okay, so we've got this. This is the front, this is the back. And I think I have these upside down. I do. Just let me figure this out for a while and we'll get back to your regular plain stations in a minute. Okay guys, I took it apart. It fell apart. I almost broke some of the bracing. But then I just looked at it and started putting it together the way I think it should be put together, and it's doing so much better. So a while ago, remember when I was saying I don't have that other bracing, I don't have that other bracing? Well, I now have another brace. I put the back brace on there. I've got this back brace to put on and then a front brace. Front brace is trying to be a little cantankerous about putting on. We'll see how it goes. I'm just going to put a couple of screws in just to kind of hold everything together, and then start tightening it all up so that I can fit things together if it's not wanting to go to square, especially since it kind of almost all broke to pieces. So if you do use this, make sure you have some bracing around. See, this one in the front is just not. Take that off. This one is not wanting to go in there. We'll leave that one on until I get this back bracing on, and then we'll kind of flip it another way to get the other front bracing on. Still can't figure out quite how to get the lane boxes in. We'll figure it out. They were kind of really tight and I can't figure them out really. So we'll see. And then I tried to do the short bracing inside. I tried to take those off and flip them upside down. They will only fit in there one way. Now let's see if we can flip this upright to show the front so we can get our last front beam on. Okay, much better. much better, because I was getting it all messed up. These are still, okay, so here's the front beam that we need to still put on. Okay, now I'm going to start on the legs. They are very hot because they've been sitting in the sun. But as you can see, I got these 2 boxes to go in. They have a little hook that once you push them in, it won't let them come out. This one's super tight, so I don't know if me kind of pulling on it a while ago and just being a little bit crazy, but that's okay. I'll just push it in there and it'll be all right. So now we're just going to work on the legs. And then I'm probably going to move it over to the chicken coop to finish putting on the top and the lid and the legs, because it's just going to be too heavy. It's like 30, almost 40 pounds. Sorry. Hi. So that's what I'm going to do now. So let's get these legs started so we can get back into the house to where it's cool. And like I said, it was so much easier just to look at the directions and say, this is the way I'm going to do it, because I've been out here for how long, and when I just decided to put it together the way I thought it should go together, it went together in 20 minutes. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to put some little caps on the end of our legs. Little cap on the ends. I'm going to take these out to the chicken coop and we'll finish everything up out there. Actually, let's finish the chicken boxes here and then we can do that. Okay, so we're going to do the chicken boxes and we're going to put their lids on them. A little lid that's going to open up. They go on here like that. Okay, so it looks like all we have to do is get these little things right here connected up into a hole on the chicken box. There's a little hole right here, and we're just going to put that into the hole. Pretty good. Just kind of got a little box. There we go. Got that in. So we'll just do those on the rest of them. It definitely is flimsy. The legs are sturdy. The lane boxes are sturdy, but the actual frame itself is really flimsy. So definitely do not put it somewhere where the wind can blow because it will be torn to pieces. Okay, now we're going to be putting on the top, and that'll give it a little more stability also. Okay, guys, this is going to take a little bit of time because I got to figure out what exactly I'm doing. But this, goats have been jumping on it, goes up here. Like so. Well, guys, this is where we're going to have to leave the video today. My camera became overheated and didn't finish the recording of the installation of the laying boxes. However, I did get all 6 of the laying boxes in, and we have them in and secured to the wall of the chicken coop. So hopefully we will have no more dirty eggs. And guys, thanks for watching, and make what you have beautiful.